Welcome back to the Workshop Dojo. Now, why you should love sanding and not hate it.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na.
Now, I have lost count of the amount of videos that I've seen where people have said, I hate sanding, it's the worst part of the job. I always rush through sanding because it's so boring. Hold up there, hold up. If that's what's going on, you're doing it wrong, okay? And I'm gonna tell you why in this video. Okay, number one, sanding is a part of the process where you get to see your finished piece of work. So all of that time and all of that planning and everything that you've gone through to put this project together, at the sanding point, you see the completion of your project. And so that at that point, it should be a joyous time at that particular point because you're just about to finish. This is the last process for you to do. Obviously, you might put a finish on it, you might put some varnish or some oil, but this is the last process. The sanding is the finished process. It's the beginning of the end. So you should not be feeling this is the worst part of it. This is the best part of it.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na.
Number two, I suppose it's the attitude, because everything that you make, okay, it doesn't matter how small or how big, is a piece of artwork. It's a creation that you have created. You've been part of it. You could be making something small, or you could be building a house. It's a creation, and that creation is a piece of art. It represents you. And so the creation of a piece of artwork should be a wonderful, wonderful process. And also, as far as making a project, there's no rush. I know people have to make money. I know that time is money and it's a process, but don't rush. This is a creation of a piece of artwork. Number three, as you're sanding, whether or not it's by hand or whether or not it's with a machine, you're almost massaging the piece of wood. It almost becomes a sensual thing. You're actually smoothing it down and you're feeling it. You're feeling the wood, and you're feeling the shapes, and you're feeling the movements, and you're feeling your piece of artwork. You're feeling your construction, and you should enjoy that. You should enjoy it. You shouldn't rush it. You should actually it's a way for you to get more of a connection to your piece of artwork, because as you sand it, you're feeling every little piece. You're feeling every little lump, every little sharp point, everything. And that process is an immensely enjoyable process, as long as you're not rushing. The key thing here is not to rush. I mean, look how long you've taken to build the project in the first place. Why would you want to, right at the end, when you're finishing everything up, it's almost the most important part, why would you want to rush that?
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Na-na-na-na-na.
Number 5. In the olden days, the Japanese sword makers, as they were making a sword, they used to say that part of their soul used to go into the sword. So when the samurai used to use their swords, there was a soul in the sword. And in a piece of artwork, it's the same thing. Your energy is being put into this piece of artwork, and the final connection that you have is from sanding, and the final transfer of an essence of you goes into that piece of artwork through your sanding, which is the reason that sanding can't be rushed. You need to take your time, and you need to make sure that that sanding process is you. In conclusion, love your sanding, okay? It's the end of a fabulous experience and a process that you have been through with these pieces of wood, and you've crafted it into a piece of artwork that represents you, and sanding is the final process. Love it and enjoy it. Anyway, I'll see you on the next workshop dojo.